Welcome back to Katie Quiz, brought to you by GB Life. Now let's kick things into high gear. The Katie Quiz speed round. In this round, 10 questions are prepared for each team, but each team only has 60 seconds to answer as many of the questions that they can. We award 10 points for a correct answer. There are no deductions for incorrect answers or passes given in this round. The category that all three teams will be competing in today is 8-letter words. All the answers have to be a word that is 8 letters long. Up first is our team from Ligonier Valley. And Ligonier Valley, we are going to start your 60-second clock in 3, 2, 1. Something detached from physical or concrete reality.
Abstract.
Combining 2 or more numbers together to get a new sum total.
Addition.
Female offspring.
Daughter.
Concerned with organization of the money, industry, and trade.
Economics.
Predict or estimate.
Pass.
Introductory page of a website.
Homepage.
Having a child or young developing in the uterus.
Pregnancy.
No. A small finger-like pouch that sticks out of the cecum.
Appendix. There you go.
The native fauna and flora of a region. And time is up. Earlier in the round, I accepted economics, but the answer was economic, which was an 8-letter word. The S makes that a 9-letter word, and we aren't able to accept that. So that means you got 5 correct in that round, Ligonier Valley. That adds 50 points to your score and takes you up to 265. Up next is our team from Quaker Valley. Again, it is 8-letter words. 8-letter words is the category in which we are competing. All the answers have 8 letters, and we are going to start your 60-second clock in 3, 2, 1. An unfortunate happening that occurs unintentionally.
Accident.
A plane figure with 3 straight sides and 3 angles.
Triangle.
To fall or shrink together abruptly and completely.
Collapse.
A person who designs, builds, or maintains engines, machines, or public works.
Engineer.
28 divided by 2.
14.
A set of opinions or beliefs of a group or an individual.
Pass.
An activity that involves moving through the water using your arms and legs.
Swimming.
Type of wool that is made from the hair of a certain type of goat native to the Gobi Desert.
Cashmere.
Using radio microwaves to transmit signals.
Pass.
Critical up. And time is up with that. You got 7 right in that round. That puts 70 points onto your score, taking you up to 195. Very nice job there, Quaker Valley. Finally up, we have our team from Butler Senior High School and Butler. Again, it's 8-letter words, and we are going to start your 60-second clock in 3, 2, 1. A serious disagreement or argument.
Pass.
The chemical element of atomic number 13 and the symbol Al.
Aluminum.
To start or begin.
Engage.
No. A sudden event or natural catastrophe.
Disaster.
Represents a part of a whole where the top number is the numerator and the bottom is the denominator.
Fraction.
An input device used by typing information into a computer.
Keyboard.
Something that you say or write in order to ask a person about something.
Question.
An object that you use to protect yourself from the rain or from the hot sun.
Umbrella.
The square root of 169.
13.
A person who has successfully completed a course.
Graduate.
Those are all our questions. You got 8 right in that round, Butler Senior High School. That adds 80 points to your score and takes your score up to 385 so far on the day. Very nice job. Now, we never like to slow it down after the speed round, so we are going to jump right into Katie Quiz math time. In this round, we have 2 math-based questions for each team, and 20 points is awarded for correct answers in this round. There is a 20-point deduction for any incorrect answers or passes given. Up first is our team from Ligonier Valley, and Ligonier Valley, here is your first math time question. What is the domain of the function shown?
-4, positive infinity.
That is correct. Very nicely done, Ligonier Valley. Here's your next math time question. What is the measure of arc BDC?
165 degrees.
That's a great guess, but we were looking for 142 on that one. So you got one right, you got one wrong. Your score remains the same at 265 points. Up next is our team from Quaker Valley High School. Quaker Valley, here is your first math time question. Simplify the radical expression shown.
Three cube root 3.
3 cubed root 3 is correct. Very nicely done. Here's your next math time question. The graph shows g of x, which is a translation of f of x equals x squared. Write the function rule for g of x.
G of x equals x minus 4 in parentheses squared.
Perfectly stated, perfectly done, very nicely done. 40 points is added to your score after getting both math time questions correct. That takes you up to 235 points so far in the day, Quaker Valley. Very nice job. Butler Senior High School, you are up next. Here's your first math time question. Identify the triangle shown, or classify the triangle shown by its angles.
Obtuse triangle.
Obtuse is correct. And your next math time question, given the triangle shown, what is the sine of 60 degrees?
The square root of 3/2.
That is correct. You two have added 40 points to your score, and that takes you up to 425 on the day. Great job, Butler Senior High School. And we're going to take a quick break. When we come back, we have one final round, but this final round has a lot of points up for grabs. It's what we call more or less. And that's next on Katie Quiz, brought to you by GBU Life.
KD Quiz is brought to you by GBU Life, providing life insurance, annuities, and community support since 1892.